Good morning, campers. Just wanted to do a quick review of the River Country Products Trekker Tent. Yesterday, I spent a couple hours seam sealing the outside seams. It took about 2 tubes of this silicone sealant. It's about $5 on Amazon. It's pretty good stuff. I used it on another teepee tent, a Seek Outside Cimarron tent. So I read reviews of the River Country that it didn't do so well in the rain. So I really liked the design and the setup, so I thought, hey, let's get it, seal it up, see what happens. So we did that yesterday and it rained last night, so perfect timing. As you can see, it's sagging a little bit. The pitch wasn't super tight with the rain, so before the rain even. So let's see if there's any water inside. Little pooling on the fabric. So I'll have to work on getting a tighter pitch next time. And it pretty much rained all night last night, so it was a good test. I was out here for a few minutes while it was raining. Nothing was coming in, so let's see what we have. I have one pad in. I don't see any rain, campers. Bone dry. Good news. They sealed the inside of the tent in the factory. I didn't want to trust it, so I went ahead and sealed it. So, as you can see, it's pretty roomy in here. I'm a fan of the teepee tent, so, well, that water just came in from the fly, so vestibule's okay. It's nothing to write home about. So, all right, guys, if you're thinking about this tent, I would suggest seam sealing it, and you'll be okay. I also have some spray that I was going to use if there was some water. Maybe doing it later. All right, campers, get out there. See you next time.